used for the transport of liquids such as gas, alcohol, diesel, water, chemical liquid, and others. Connect the static discharge cable. Check if the valves are closed. Apply the vacuum pressure valve. Open the first stage inspection cover and the over cover. Start loading through the hose until reaching the arrow or the desired amount. Close the compartment. Connect the static discharge cable. Activate the draining system. Stabilize the pressure by activating the vacuum pressure valve. Open the cover as previously recommended. Remove the cover and connect the hose. Place the lever opening the valve. Activate the control valve located in the control box corresponding to the compartment to be unloaded. Connect the static discharge cable. Activate the draining system. Connect the handle of the opto sensor. Remove the cover. Connect the hose to the API valve. Place the lever to open it. For bases equipped with steam recuperator, connect the specific hose. In the panel, activate the control valve corresponding to the compartment. Start loading. Go through the reverse procedure, finish the operation. The process is similar to the bottom load procedure. However, the liquid flow is inverse to the load and an adapter is used for the tank hose. Attention! It's possible to do the loading through gravity in bottom loading tanks. For this, it's necessary to power the drain system and the control valve in the control box. It's also possible to unload through gravity by feeding the drain system and applying the control valve to unlock the cover. After that, apply the gravity valve. It has the same loading and unloading procedure. However, it's differentiated in the operation of the cover and the draining valve. Check if the pressure vacuum valve is not obstructed. Make sure of the right inner pressure through the manometer. Use the valve to stabilize the pressure. Turn the lever to the counterclockwise direction to open the cover through the levers. Remove the draining plug. Connect the hose to the extremity. Turn the lever in order to activate the valve. Attention! The drain valve is in the equipments that do not carry fuel, and its function is to provide samples. Attention! The draining valve has restrictions in its use depending on the material to be transported.